Hello students, welcome to Engineers Academy. Do hit the subscribe button if you are here for the first time. Today in this video we are going to learn completing the square of a quadratic expression. So if we write a quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c in this form, which is a into x plus p square plus q, then this method is transforming this quadratic equation into this is known as completing the square. So we have to write x plus p. This p is something and this q is something. So we have to find a way in order to write the quadratic expression in terms of this, and we have to find a way to find p and q. And this p and q are very important terms in terms of the quadratic expression. Now let's say we have x square plus 6x plus 3. If we compare this with this standard form, we can say that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So this means that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 3. So first of all, in order to complete the square, we need to consider the first two terms. So we will write x squared plus 6x, and we need to write this in terms of x plus p square. So we know that x plus p square is x square plus 2px plus p square. So now this p will always be the coefficient of x divided by 2. So whatever the coefficient of x is, that b, or we can say here it is 6. So 6 divided by 2 will be 3. Since we want to write here 2 times p. So we want to split the coefficient of x as a multiple of 2. So whatever coefficient of x is, we need to divide it by 2. So we will write 2 multiply by that coefficient. If we divide 6 divided by 3, so 2 times 3 in this particular case. So we can say that if I write this x square plus 6x like this, so we will have x square plus 2 times 3 into x. And since we want to write this in this particular form, so we will write plus 3 square. So this is x square, this is 6x. So this x square plus 6x will be equal to this. We have added this 3 square. So if we have added this extra term, we must subtract this. So we will write that this is minus 3 square. Now these three terms, we can write these three terms like this. So which will be x plus 3 square. So we can say that this is x plus 3 square minus 3 square. So this is x square plus 6x, and now we have plus 3 as well, since we want to write this in terms of this. So here we have to add that 3 terms as well. So we will write plus 3, and here we will have plus 3. So we can say that x square plus 6x plus 3 can be written as x plus 3 square minus 9 plus 3. So we can say that this will be equal to minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. So we can say this is minus 6. So this is, we can write this quadratic expression as x plus 3 square minus 6. So this is the case when this coefficient of x square is 1. Now we have another expression which is 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So again we will write 2x square plus 3x. Now since the coefficient of x square is not 1, so we can keep this 2 as a factor. So we can write this as 2 brackets x square plus 3 divided by 2x. And then we will complete the square for this term using that same method. So now we can say that this will be 2 into x square plus, here we have that p term, so that p term will be this divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2 divided by 2 is 3 divided by 4. So this is 3 divided by 4 square. And here we will write 2 times this p into x, and this product must give us that 3 divided by 2, the coefficient of x. So now we have added this 3 divided by 4 square term, and this is also multiplied by 2. So now you guys can see that this is not equal, since this is 2, this is x square plus 3 divided by 2x, and there is this extra term we have added. So now we have to subtract this extra term. So we have to subtract this extra term since we have added this. We want to have all this side, the right hand side, equals to the left hand side. So in order to equate this, we need to subtract 2 times this, since this is inside the bracket and brackets and it's multiplied by 2. So we can say that this will be minus 2 times 3 divided by 4 square. So this term is, now we can say that this is, since this is 2 times 3 divided by 4 square. Now this is equal and this is equal. So now we can say that this is 2 into, this will be now x plus p square. Now p is 3 divided by 4, x plus p square. This is minus 2 times 3 divided by 4 square is 9 divided by 16, or we can say 9 divided by 8. If we multiply this with 2, so we will have 9 divided by 8. So this is 2x square plus 3x is equal to 2 times x plus 3 square minus 9 divided by 8. Now we are left with minus 5, so we have to write minus 5 on both sides. So we can say minus 5 and minus 5. So this is 2 times x plus 3 divided by 4 square, and this will be minus 9 divided by 8 minus 5. So this will be, this is 9, and this will be, we can, this will be plus 40. So this is, we can say 2 times x plus 3 divided by 4 square minus 49 divided by 8. So now the p term for this expression is 3 divided by 4, and the q term is 49 divided by 8. So now let's simplify this case. We don't need to do all these steps always, so we must simplify this. So we can say that p term is always equal to b divided by 2a. So b, in this particular case, b is 3 and a term is 2. So we can say that this is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 2, which is 3 divided by 4. And the q term will always be equal to minus a p square plus c. So now in this particular case, a is 2, so you will write minus 2, p is 3 divided by 4, and c is, remember that if we compare this with this, then c is minus 5, right? This will be plus into minus 5, so c is minus 5. And this p is squared, right? So minus 2 p squared minus 5. So this is equal to, we can say minus 2 is 9 divided by 16 minus 5. This is minus 9 divided by 8 minus 5, and this will give us minus 49 divided by 8. So this is the q. So now the p term is 3 divided by 4 and the q term is minus 49 divided by 8. If we compare this with this, then the p term is 3 divided by 4, and since we have plus q here, so if that is plus, then we will write this is plus into minus 49 divided by 8. So q is minus 49 divided by 8. Let's apply that simplification to this expression. So again, I will write here that p will always be equal to b divided by 2a, and q will be equal to minus a into p square plus c. Now let's write that a is equal to 1, b, which is the coefficient of x, is 8, and c is equal to minus 10. So we can say that p is equal to b, which is 8, 2 times a, and q is minus a is 1, P is 8 divided by 2 square, so 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus C, so C is minus 10. So P is 4, Q is minus 16, minus 10, so this is equal to minus 26. So now we can say that x square plus 8x minus 10 is equal to x plus p, since the coefficient of x square is 1, so x plus p, so we will say x plus p is 4 minus 26. Now if we have to verify that if this is equal to this or not, so we can verify it. We can split this, and if we split this, this will be equal to x square plus 2 times 4x plus 16 minus 26. So you guys can see x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 26 is minus 10. So this is equal to this, and this means that we have accurately determined that p term and q term.